Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply hide hours played on Steam. Hours played on Steam. I'm sorry for my English, guys. I'm from Eastern Europe, but I really like doing tutorials and making them. So yeah, how to hide your hours played. Go to the right top corner to your profile and view my profile. When you'll be right here, just click here, edit profile. And then go to privacy settings. And in privacy settings, you're gonna see like the game details. Everything you will have possibly on public, like here. And you're gonna see always keep my total playtime private, even if users can see my game details. This is the first option that you can have. Or you can go with the game details and change it to private. So these are the two ways how we can do it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. And this is how we do it. So thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback, some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. Goodbye, my neighbor. Goodbye, my love.